من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Common people, these are the traditional owners of the land. Commandment is a way to respect the history. Australia is a symbolic festival of reconciliation. Please watch this video of some highlights. Celebration of Mother's Day activities include making future cards of important design family portraits. Please watch our video.
So well done for all your hard learning. And Harwa. These two are superstars that I've seen now.
Starting school is quite a journey. Students come and they have to be taught all sorts of different things, not just their reading and writing, but also how to be at school, how to interact with others. So this award is going to Elia for demonstrating real sincerity in his efforts to interact positively with others. It's been a huge improvement in terms of Elia.
Would you stand up and would you come out the front, please?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to everyone. Happy birthday to you.
And may God bless you. Beautifully done. I'm going to give them their birthday present.
Subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially as you go around doing all your beautiful learning activities, looking after each other, looking after your teachers, and at home, just remember to be kind, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He is kind to everyone, and you can feel His kindness when you are kind to everyone as well.